Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So this is live price prediction of Cardano, and you watching ABS Tech channel. Cardano is completely fails down, dumps by dumps from last 7 days. Not just last 7 days, last month, my friends. They completely fails down, and I don't know to why they fails down, especially in those days. And because everybody tried to understand to an end of month, every cryptocurrencies take a very huge jump. But definitely, you could see the Cardano change occur. You could see the result is completely 1 hour, 1 day, 7 days. All change occur. You could see are completely and the negative. So what we do this kind of coming time, there is a chance to they take a jump or they fails down more and more. They dumps by jump. Let's see, my brother. After this video, you absolutely understand, and I am also understand to upcoming time there is a chance to they take a jump or not, my brother. So kindly don't skip this video. And before I get started this video, I have one request: to kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. So if you can say, my brother, if we check out the last 7 days chart, then exactly we understand to upcoming time there is a chance to they take a jump or not. And after that, I also gonna show you the update of this coin, my brother. So you can see this time, my brother, completely after a fails. You can see here they take a jump, they take a short jump and short fails. You can see here the short jump. It's a very good, my friend, especially from last day and just in only, my friend. And you can see here this time 2 days they take a jump. 2 days all craft market is back up. I can't expect this. You can see here the one main reason is that they fell us down again to especially the short term investor. Every investor, my friend, who invests for a 1 month, who invests for a 1 week, who invests for 1 day, they started selling in those days, especially in those days. So there is no chance to they take a jump, my brother. Therefore, I clearly tell you, my all viewers, my subscriber, to don't sell it in those days. Otherwise, my friend, you can see this time the price is very cheap now. They fell us down, so it's mean, my brother, to upcoming time 1 or 2 days they more falls down. Try to understand to when next month start. Now absolutely at the start of the month also cryptocurrencies falls down. So I think for 1 month there is for 1 week there is no chance to they take a jump. If they take a short jump, short falls, then exactly, my friend, it's possible, but there is not a chance to they take a big jump. So try to understand, holders, don't sell it. If you invest for a long time, then kindly wait for the 2022. Like me especially, I invest for a long time, so therefore I don't see this short fails. Try to understand. But let's see, my brothers, the updates towards going on. Can the last 1 hour chain will be positive or negative? Exactly, my brother. In the last 1 hour, if you could see here, my brother, they take absolutely, my friend, you can see here after a short fails, they take a short jump. But definitely the average come to minus 3.23% fails down. It's a very huge, my brother, price fails. So don't see this short fails. Try to understand to don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of month.